Okay, so an update on the burst module, or the internal structure of this module. So I have like one part, so it is completed as a thing, but not as an element or like a component of a bigger thing, of a bigger scheme or something. So all of this, like the internal connections, all of this is ready, but like the other board is not ready though, and the wires that would go between them, right, aren't soldered yet, right? So there are no wires that would go in different states and states, like what you call it, like countries or something, if you want to imagine that these boards are countries or something, right? So like we don't have any autobahn between them, any roads, right? So so like this side of the board would be facing the like this thing, right? The back side of a panel, of the front panel. So this thing would be connected to the switch, or like what you call it, like switch, right? This one next to this one, right? So this one will be connected to LED or LED. I don't know how you say it. Then what's this one? Oh, right. So this is an input. This is an input. This is the trigger input. So, and there are like two things for ground, right? So, okay. Next is yeah. By the way. So there will be like 4 wires on this side connecting this board to different outputs, right? So like the trigger out, end of cycle, the actual like pulses or like bursts, and the I don't remember what is it, like duration, I think it was called on the schematic, like the actual schematic. So we only lock like this external clock thing that would be connected to the other board, right? So all of this, like this side, like would have wires like this, like, so it would be like this somehow. I don't know. I don't know yet, like how I will connect it to the actual like front panel. We'll see. But on the other side, like on this side, there will be like wires connecting this board to the other board, and the other board would be like the holder, like the keeper of CD4106, right? All right. By the way, so I usually tend to kind of make everything like neat and tidy. That's kind of like what I like to do, but sometimes it's just not possible, right? So, and you see here, like you see traces, right, that are basically like jumpers on my board, and like all of this, like not green, like what is it, blue lines are whatever, right? It's not traced, and I keep it this way because it's easier to like keep track of them actually, instead of like tracing them, because it's not like I'm doing the like, you know, what's the big company that does PCBs? I don't remember. So like it's not like I'm like doing the PCBs, right? I'm doing it by hand on the perf boards. So yeah, and you see the crosses, right? So like you see these things that are actually like how I keep track of the wires, so like the jumpers that I soldered, right? So like I just crossed them out, and that's how I do it. That's like pro tip. Anyway, that's all for now. Next update will be probably about the other board and the, well, maybe like next update would be the finished module, or we'll see, maybe there will be some problems. We'll see you next time.